Looking to boost your crypto gains in 2025? You're in the right place. Say hello to Trixo Fund, an intelligent, AI-driven trading solution that's redefining how crypto investors across the UK manage and grow their portfolios. Whether you're new to digital assets or already trading actively, this platform is engineered to give you a strategic advantage, capturing profit opportunities and eliminating the guesswork. And the best part? It operates 24/7, even while you're sleeping. A quick alert: due to Trixo Fund's rising popularity, a number of fake websites have surfaced. To protect your assets, always register using the official link in the description. It's the only way to get started safely and unlock the full platform features. The British crypto market evolves at lightning speed. Prices swing by the minute, and missing the ideal buy or sell window could cost you. That's exactly where Trixo Fund steps in. Powered by advanced artificial intelligence, it scans the markets in real time, identifies trends, tracks whale activity, and executes trades with precision, often faster than human traders can even react. No need for charts, candles, or constant monitoring. Trixo Fund is entirely web-based and works in the background while you go about your day. It's streamlined specifically for UK-based traders and built to be as beginner-friendly as it is powerful for pros. Worried about safety? Trixo Fund partners with globally trusted crypto exchanges, including Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, and Bitfinex. Your funds stay in your control at all times. With military-grade encryption, risk-free demo trading, and full transparency, you can withdraw, change strategies, or monitor your performance anytime. Across the UK, thousands of traders are already using Trixo Fund with impressive results. Supported by a seasoned team of fintech and AI professionals, the platform has executed millions of trades and is constantly fine-tuned for optimal market performance. Fast, secure, and designed to keep you one step ahead, even in the most volatile conditions. Reminder: don't fall for fake pages. Register only through the official Trixo Fund link below to get full access to verified features, real-time analytics, and step-by-step guidance. Ready to experience automated crypto trading that actually works? Getting started takes just minutes. Create your account, fund your wallet, select your trading style, and let the AI take over. Many users start seeing progress within 24 hours of activating their first trade. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. Found this useful? Hit the like button and subscribe for more crypto insights, platform news, and trading tips from across the UK and beyond. Thanks for watching. Trade wisely, stay secure, and keep growing with confidence.